a cop, and you will respect my authority.
I resent that, sir. I have never in my life done anything just for the money. If I'm lying, may the Lord strike me down right now.
Eric, be quiet!
No, it's okay. He'll run out of steam here pretty soon. I think I know the answer, Mr. Garrison. Shut up, fat boy!
Hey, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew!
Eric, did you just say the F word?
Jew?
No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric!
Dude, you just said fuck again!
Stanley! Kenny!
What's the big deal? It doesn't hurt anybody. Fuck, fuckity, fuck, fuck, fuck.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... Holy shit, dude. Oh my god! They killed Kenny! You bastards!